I'm gonna give you some advice to pick the best fabrics to make a hoodie. Let's talk sweatshirt fabric first. From what I know, there are two kinds out there. You have brushed sweatshirt and you have terry. This is brushed sweatshirt. On the wrong side of the fabric, this is what you get. And this is terry, so on the outside it's pretty much the same. And on the wrong side, you can see kind of the threads intertwined. You want to look at the GSM, gram per square meter. The GSM, in my opinion, should not go below 300 grams per square meters. If you go below that, the fabric is going to be too thin and it's going to be a slouchy sweatshirt. The second thing you want to look at is the fibers. So you can take 100% cotton, you can take cotton with a bit of elastan. I would not go beyond 3% because elastan fibers are heavy and they're going to give you a slouchy hoodie. Third types of fibers, you can take a cotton mixed with some polyester, or sometimes they also put nylon in there. It can be nice because synthetic fibers are light and so they're going to give you a boxier hoodie with more volume. I would not go beyond 20% or else the hoodie is going to look plasticky and also the fabric is going to peel. All right, let's look at the ribbing. So you have different types of ribbing fabric. You can take smooth ribbing like this. It's also the one that I picked here. You have small stripes like that and also bigger stripes like this. Make sure that there is elastan in it. Okay, last thing, let me give you a little treat, which is this. Look at that. Doesn't it look fantastic? I just love watching all these colors.